The Programming BootCamp is an immersive, online learning program designed to introduce children to the world of programming. Your child will receive one course per month, with each course covering a different topic. Our courses cover web design, mobile app development, Excel programming, artificial intelligence, graphics designing, and more. Every course includes a step-by-step, guided project, so students can put their learning into practice and build something amazing by the end of the course. Each course is broken into easy-to-follow chapters, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Students can learn one course per month that requires just 2 to 4 hours, ensuring no disruption to their schoolwork. Children receive a certificate of completion when they reach a milestone to celebrate their achievement. The more courses they complete, the more certifications they achieve, and the more skills they learn. Check out our free sample course on YouTube today. Find the link in the description below.